How to log into KeyBank Mortgage account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you will find the search box. Type in KeyBank Mortgage Login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, www.key.com. Open it. With that, you'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the official website of it, at the top right corner, you're gonna see the option of Sign On. Click on that. In order to get access to your mortgage, all you have to do is log into your online banking account. So click on the option of Sign On. In the case you haven't created your online banking account, you can click on the option of Enroll in Online Banking and go through the process. After you create your account, click on Sign On. Now provide your credentials. First up, type in your user ID. Then type in your password. If you want to save your user ID, check in for the option of Save User ID. In the case you have any issues logging into your account, click on this option of Problem Signing In. With that, your problem will be resolved. After you provide all the details, click on Sign On, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. So this way, you can easily log into KeyBank Mortgage account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.